Your online privacy in 2025. Your online privacy is more important than ever before. Every day, hackers, advertisers, and even some companies try to collect and misuse your personal data. But with the right steps and awareness, you can significantly improve your online safety and keep your information secure in 2025. Strong, unique passwords. Start by using strong, unique passwords for every single account you have. Avoid using the same password on multiple sites because if one is breached, all your accounts become vulnerable. Password managers like Bitwarden or LastPass can generate complex passwords for you and store them safely, so you don't have to remember them. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, on all your important accounts. This requires a second form of verification like a code sent to your phone, adding an extra layer of security beyond just your password. It makes it much harder for hackers to break in, even if they steal your password. Beware of phishing. Phishing scams are one of the most common ways attackers try to steal your information. These often come as emails or messages that look legitimate but are designed to trick you into clicking malicious links or giving up passwords. Always verify the sender's identity, avoid clicking suspicious links, and never download attachments from unknown sources. Use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks in cafes, airports, or hotels are convenient but risky because they're often unsecured. Using a trusted VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet traffic, protecting your data from hackers and eavesdroppers sharing the same network. This keeps your browsing and personal information safe. Limit app permissions. Be cautious about the permissions you grant to apps on your phone or computer. Only allow apps to access what they really need to function. For example, a photo editing app doesn't need access to your contacts or microphone. Regularly review and adjust permissions to minimize unnecessary data access. Clear cookies and cache. Websites use cookies to track your activity and serve targeted ads. Clearing your browser's cookies and cache regularly helps reduce tracking and improves your privacy. You can set your browser to clear cookies automatically when you close it or do it manually from the settings. Privacy-focused search engines. Switch to search engines that respect your privacy, such as DuckDuckGo or Brave Search. Unlike some popular search engines, these do not track your search history or build detailed profiles on you. This means your searches remain private and you avoid targeted ads based on your queries. Disable ad tracking and location. Many devices and apps collect data for advertising by tracking your location and app usage. Disable ad tracking and location services whenever possible to limit this data collection. On both iOS and Android devices, you can find settings to control these features and protect your privacy. Stay informed and vigilant. Privacy protection is an ongoing process. Stay informed about new security threats and privacy tools. Regularly update your devices and apps to patch vulnerabilities, and be cautious with the information you share online. Awareness and good habits are your best defense. Take control of your digital life by following these practical steps. You can take control of your digital footprint and enjoy a safer, more private online experience. Protecting your privacy isn't just about technology, it's about building habits that keep you secure every day. Subscribe for more tips. Subscribe now for more practical guides, tips, and updates to help you stay safe in the digital world. Your privacy matters, and we're here to help you protect it.